Hi, I'm JD with RIA First Aid. We're going to go over our medium first aid kit, and this is what it looks like. Every one of our kits here has a glass breaker on the outside. We have a carabiner so you can hook it up to the back of one of your seat headrests in the car. It's always in the same place. And all these bags tear open so you can see almost everything right away. That's really important to me, that you can see what you have. You don't have to go digging for it. First up in our kit, we have two different types of tourniquets. We have a cat tourniquet and a SWAT T. This is designed for adults. This is designed for dogs, kids, and adults. This is a little bit slower. This is the gold standard right now. This does not have to come out of its wrapper. It has a bunch of notches on the outside. You can just tear them off. This has to come out of its wrapper. If you buy this tourniquet from us, one of our kits, or from anywhere else, make sure you take your cat tourniquet out of the wrapper. It doesn't have to be sterile. It's not going to be sterile. It goes on the outside of the body, but this wrapper will slow you down. We also have two pairs of gloves. We have two different types of gauze. This is combat gauze. This is compressed down, vacuum sealed. It's 4 yards long. This will stop bleeding up to 5 times faster. We also have normal gauze that you can use on a burn or anything else, and this is also 4 yards. We have a trauma dressing, an ETD from North American Rescue. These are fantastic. We have a small pair of medical shears, and we went with the Hyphen Vent chest seal. These are the compact version, so they can fit almost anywhere on any size body. We have a 6-inch chem light, and we have two different types of steri strips. A little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. These replace butterfly bandages that we used to use, and they work great. And sometimes I'll use them instead of a Band-Aid because they stick so well. We have a 7-pack of medications. These are not kid safe, so make sure you know where they are. There's 3 in here for pain medication. There's electrolytes. There's a ton of good things in here. We also have a 5-pack of Band-Aids, and we have a small Celox hemostatic granules. This you pour out, it's like a sugar packet on a bleed you just can't stop, and this stops a lot of stubborn bleeds. We have a Neosporin to go pain reliever spray. These are really handy. The glass breaker and seatbelt cutter I mentioned earlier. This is the glass breaker. This is the seatbelt cutter. We have 2 different types of tape, medical and duct tape, CPR mask, a 3-pack of gels and creams. The most important of them is a burn gel packet. We have a small metal American-made tweezer, and we have a Soul small emergency blanket. This is their small blanket, and it'll still fit 2 people. All of this is inside our medium first aid kit. Let us help you pick the best professional grade first aid kit for you and your family. Follow us at riafirstaid.com and follow our socials for quick tips.